What's going on, everyone? It's M Squared. Welcome back, and we're on everyone's favorite subject today. Let's talk about building wealth. You don't need thousands to get started in the market. In fact, you can begin investing with as little as $100. That's right, just $100 is all it takes to potentially grow your money over time. In this video, we'll break down 3 simple, beginner-friendly investing strategies that can turn your initial $100 into something much more significant. We'll demystify investing jargon, show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can start building a brighter financial future for yourself. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking to make their money work harder, this video is for you. Stick around, because the next few minutes could change your financial life. As always, please remember, we do not provide financial advice. The material covered is either for information purposes or for fun only. Now, that's out of the way, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with ETFs, or exchange traded funds. Think of ETFs like those variety packs of snacks you get at the store. Instead of just one type of chip, you get a whole bunch, right? ETFs hold a basket of different stocks or bonds, giving you instant diversification. It's all about managing risk. Imagine putting all your money into a single company. If it does poorly, your entire investment takes a hit. With ETFs, your risk is spread out, making it a smoother ride. How do you invest in ETFs? It's easier than you think. Open an account with a brokerage platform. Options include Vanguard, Fidelity, or apps like Robinhood. Do your research, compare fees, and choose the best platform. Search for ETFs based on your financial goals. Want exposure to the tech sector? There's an ETF for that. Prefer renewable energy? There's an ETF for that too. The options are nearly limitless. ETFs are incredibly beginner friendly. They offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in a diversified portfolio. Traded on stock exchanges, you can buy and sell them like individual stocks. With low investment minimums, you can start with just $100. Instead of letting money sit idle, consider putting it to work in an ETF. Let's talk about those companies with stock prices that seem out of reach. That's where fractional shares come into play. Fractional shares are fractions of a full share. You can buy a portion of a share, say $100 worth. This opens up possibilities for new investors with limited capital. Invest in companies you believe in, even with a small budget. Many brokerage platforms offer fractional shares. It's often as easy as toggling a switch. Fractional shares promote disciplined investing. Invest consistently with smaller amounts. Become a part owner in innovative companies. Don't let high share prices scare you off. Fractional shares make investing accessible to everyone. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Participate in the market and benefit from long-term growth. Stay within your financial comfort zone. High yield savings accounts, the safe haven for your money. Alright, let's shift gears to a more conservative yet essential investment strategy, high yield savings accounts. Now, while not as flashy as ETFs or fractional shares, high yield savings accounts are the foundation of a solid financial plan. Think of them as the safe haven for your money. Unlike investing in the stock market, where your capital is exposed to some level of risk, high-yield savings accounts offer a guaranteed return on your investment. You're essentially lending your money to the bank, and in return, they pay you interest. A much higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. While interest rates fluctuate, high-yield savings accounts consistently outperform their traditional counterparts, making them an attractive option for cash you want to keep accessible but still growing steadily. Opening a high-yield savings account is a breeze. Many online banks and credit unions offer competitive interest rates, often surpassing those offered by traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Simply compare rates, read the fine print, and choose the account that aligns with your financial goals. One of the most significant advantages of high-yield savings accounts is their liquidity. Unlike some investments that lock your money away for a set period, you can access your funds in a high-yield savings account whenever you need them, making them ideal for emergency funds or short-term savings goals. Remember, investing isn't always about chasing the highest returns. It's about finding the right balance between risk and reward. High-yield savings accounts provide a safe and reliable way to grow your money while keeping it readily accessible for unexpected expenses or future opportunities. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to start investing with just $100. Whether you choose to dive into the world of ETFs, explore the flexibility of fractional shares, or build a solid foundation with high-yield savings accounts, the most important step is to take action. Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, over time, those contributions can compound and grow significantly. Investing is a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a single step. Make those financial goals a reality. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for hanging with me. If you liked this video, you're going to love the one on your screen right now. It's packed with even more great information for you to enjoy. Click it, and we'll see you on the other side.